India's leading defense discoveries, tech marvels, naval legends, and military history all in one channel to keep you updated always. INS Vajrapat, commissioned in 2025, stands as a powerful representation of India's growing naval strength and modernization efforts. This stealth destroyer-class warship was designed with multi-dimensional warfare capabilities and constructed to serve as a backbone of the Indian Navy's blue water ambitions. Combining lethal weaponry, advanced sensor systems, and stealth engineering, the INS Vajrapat is tailored to dominate in high-intensity conflicts while maintaining a strategic deterrence presence in the Indian Ocean region. Built indigenously under the ambitious Make in India defense initiative, it integrates the latest in Indian defense technology along with selective foreign collaborations to ensure the vessel matches global standards. INS Vajrapat's hull design reduces radar cross-section significantly, making it stealthier than many of its predecessors. It incorporates angular surfaces, radar-absorbent materials, and a low-heat signature structure to evade detection by enemy systems. This provides a tactical edge during both offensive and defensive operations. The destroyer features a displacement of around 7,500 tons and stretches over 160 meters in length, giving it substantial onboard space to house advanced electronics, weaponry, and systems required for modern-day maritime combat. Powering the Vajrapat is a combination of gas turbines and diesel engines in a CODAG, combined diesel and gas, configuration. This allows it to reach top speeds in excess of 30 knots and cruise for long distances with energy efficiency. The propulsion system is optimized for both agility and endurance, ensuring it remains ready for rapid response missions or extended deployments. Integrated electric propulsion helps reduce the acoustic signature and offers smoother operations of sensitive electronic systems on board. When it comes to armament, INS Vajrapat boasts an impressive array of offensive and defensive weaponry. It features vertical launching systems capable of deploying BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles, which provide long-range strike capabilities against both land and sea targets. The BrahMos missile, known for its high accuracy and blistering speed, significantly enhances the strike potential of the destroyer. In addition, the vessel carries Barak 8 surface-to-air missiles to create a formidable air defense shield against hostile aircraft and incoming missiles. The ship is equipped with a modern 76mm or 127mm naval gun mounted forward, ideal for shore bombardment and surface engagement. For close-in defense, the ship integrates the AK-630 or a similar close-in weapon system, CIWS, that can rapidly neutralize incoming threats such as anti-ship missiles or low-flying aircraft. Torpedo tubes and anti-submarine rocket launchers provide a robust anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capability, allowing INS Vajrapat to detect and eliminate undersea threats effectively. A key feature of the destroyer is its advanced sensor and electronic warfare suite. It houses a state-of-the-art active electronically scanned array (ESA) radar system, capable of tracking multiple aerial and surface targets simultaneously over vast distances. This is supported by multifunction surveillance radars, fire control radars, sonar systems including a towed array sonar, and advanced electronic countermeasure systems. These elements work in harmony through an integrated combat management system that processes sensor data and automates threat assessment, target tracking, and weapon deployment. INS Vajrapat also emphasizes network-centric warfare. It is fully integrated with the Indian Navy's information grid, allowing real-time data sharing between naval assets, aircraft, and command centers. Satellite communication, tactical data links, and encrypted communication channels ensure seamless coordination during complex joint operations. Such systems make the ship an essential node in the broader Indian maritime command structure. The ship's aviation capabilities include a flight deck and hangar for accommodating 1 or 2 multi-role helicopters. These helicopters, such as the MH-60R Seahawk or HAL Dhruv, enhance the destroyer's reach in anti-submarine, anti-surface, and surveillance roles. They carry sonar buoys, torpedoes, and advanced radars that extend the destroyer's eyes and ears far beyond the horizon. Crew comfort and survivability have not been overlooked. The ship provides modern accommodations, automation systems for routine tasks, and damage control systems for emergencies. It is also designed with NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical, protection systems, ensuring the crew's safety in case of unconventional warfare. The layout of the ship supports high efficiency in combat situations, while also catering to the crew's endurance during long missions. Sustainability and operational efficiency are hallmarks of this destroyer. INS Vajrapat includes onboard desalination plants, waste processing systems, and optimized fuel management to reduce its environmental footprint. It's also designed to undergo minimal downtime, with modular systems that allow rapid maintenance and upgrades without the need for extensive dry docking. The commissioning of INS Vajrapat not only strengthens the Indian Navy's capabilities but also signals India's intent to play a decisive role in ensuring maritime security in the Indo-Pacific region. It serves as a strategic counterbalance in a region witnessing rapid naval expansions and geopolitical tensions. Whether deployed for escort duties, patrol missions, humanitarian assistance, or combat roles, the destroyer adapts to varied operational scenarios with equal effectiveness. In future maritime exercises and strategic deployments, the presence of INS Vajrapat will likely symbolize Indian maritime assertiveness and commitment to safeguarding regional interests. Its ability to operate independently or within carrier battle groups makes it a versatile asset for joint force projection, both during peacetime and in crisis scenarios. With a crew of nearly 300 officers and sailors, INS Vajrapat represents a synergy of technology, strategy, and human excellence. Every aspect of the vessel has been tailored to deliver combat superiority, and its presence in the Indian fleet demonstrates how far indigenous naval development has progressed. Thank you for watching and exploring the powerful features of the 2025 INS Vajrapat with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more amazing military technology videos and naval insights.